Hi and welcome into this new video. Today I'm sharing my 3-ingredient tahini bread, gluten-free, low carb, high in protein and with healthy fat. Look how fluffy this bread looks like. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
My name is Mistura. I'm holistic nutritionist and holistic practitioner, and I'll share healthy recipe to help people build muscles and lose body fat. I also get ebooks and a coaching programs. I got a free guide to help people build a healthy plate. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and check your description box below.
So for this recipe we need some tahini. I get this tahini from Trader Joe's. We need 4 eggs and some baking powder. So baking powder or baking soda is the same thing. So I started by putting 1 large cup of tahini into a large bowl, just like this. Then now it's time to crack my 4 eggs into the tahini. And of course, I don't forget to put 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And now it's time to mix everything vigorously. Make sure the eggs are well mixed with the tahini, so please take your time for that part. So this is how it's supposed to look like. So we got our bread dough ready, so you don't need like any kneading or anything. So in the loaf pan I put some parchment paper, just like this, and I'm gonna put my mixture into my loaf pan. And yeah, here is my bread dough, and then it's optional, but I'm adding some everything bagel seasoning on top. And now it's going in the oven at 350 for 35 minutes. And when it's done, this is how it looks like. The bread is all done. So please, before you start, remember to preheat your oven at 350. So now it's time to cut our fluffy bread. It's so easy to cut, but before you cut it, please make sure you let it rest a little bit, then it's not too hot. And here's the final result. The bread is easy to cut, it's fluffy, so you're ready to enjoy.
End of this recipe, my tahini bread recipe is low carb, gluten-free, refined sugar free. I love this recipe. I don't do this recipe too often, but when I do, I keep it in my freezer for a few days, so I have it on the go. This bread has a little bitter taste, so if you guys don't like bitter stuff, maybe don't try this recipe. But I have other bread recipes that are coming really soon. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and in the next video I will be sharing 3 toast idea that you can make with this bread or with any kind of bread, and those toast are high in protein. So please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you again for next video. Bye.